Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to for all things beauty and grooming. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to make life a little easier for those who love a clean, shaven head. We're talking about the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor, a grooming kit that's packed with features for the modern man. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer and whether it truly delivers on its promises. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor is an all-in-one grooming solution for bald men. It boasts an upgraded detachable shaving head, a flexible 7D rotary design, and an IPX7 waterproof rating, allowing for both wet and dry use. With 5 different heads for a variety of grooming needs, it's positioned as a versatile tool for trimming, shaving, and even massaging. Let's break it down further. First, the detachable shaving head is a standout feature. It's designed with convenience in mind, allowing you to pop the head off after every shave for easy cleaning. This makes maintaining the shaver a breeze. No more struggling with built-up hair or hard-to-reach areas. Simply rinse the head under water and you're good to go. It's a practical touch for anyone who values hygiene and longevity in their grooming tools. The 7D floating head is where this razor really shines. The ultra-flexible design of the blades pivots and moves with your head, increasing the shaving area and minimizing irritation. It's a smooth, close shave, even in tricky spots, and the rounded edges ensure that it glides over the skin without tugging or pulling. It's ideal for people looking for comfort in their shave, especially for those with sensitive skin. Now let's talk about the waterproof capabilities. With an IPX7 rating, you can confidently use this razor in the shower or shave with foam for a softer, smoother experience. Whether you're doing your grooming routine in the bathroom or on the go, the waterproof feature ensures that it won't be damaged by water. This makes it a great option for busy men who prefer to shave in the shower. Another bonus is the quick Type-C charging. You get 90 minutes of shaving time after just 1.5 hours of charging. Whether you're using a laptop, car, or power bank, the versatility in charging options makes it ideal for travel. The LED display is also a helpful feature, showing you the battery level so you'll never run out of charge mid-shave. But this kit doesn't just stop at shaving. It comes with 5 different heads to cover all your grooming needs. The hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, massage brush, and cleaning brush offer a wide range of functionality in a single tool. These features make the SHPAVVER more than just a shaver, giving you a multi-purpose tool that can handle various grooming tasks. So what are the pros and cons of this product? Let's start with the pros. The detachable head is incredibly convenient for cleaning, ensuring your shaver stays in top condition. The 7D floating head provides a smooth, close shave even in tough spots. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows for wet and dry use, giving you flexibility in your shaving routine. Quick charging and a long battery life mean this is a reliable tool for both home use and travel. The 5-in-1 headset provides excellent value for the price, with multiple functions packed into one grooming device. Now the cons. The razor might feel a bit bulky for those who are used to more compact shavers. The 5 replacement heads may require regular upkeep every 3 to 6 months, so that's something to consider for long-term maintenance. Some users may prefer a more traditional razor feel, as this one uses a rotary head, which can feel a bit different for those accustomed to straight-edge razors. When it comes to value for money, I think this is a solid option. The SHPAVVER offers a lot of functionality for the price, especially considering it's a 5-in-1 grooming kit. The interchangeable heads add a lot of versatility, making it a practical investment for men who want an all-in-one solution. The convenience of the waterproof design and fast charging further sweetens the deal. If you're looking for similar options, there are other rotary shavers out there that might be a bit more affordable. But the SHPAVVER stands out with its multifunctional design and ease of maintenance. If you're willing to invest a little more for added convenience and features, it's a great choice. The build quality feels sturdy. The razor has a solid feel in hand, and the materials are well put together. It's not flimsy, and with proper care, it should last a long time. The waterproof design adds an extra layer of durability, so you don't have to worry about the shaver getting damaged in wet conditions. As for the longevity of the shave, it holds up well over time. whether you use it every day or just a few times a week. In terms of customer support, I didn't have any direct experience with the brand, but based on general consumer feedback, it seems they are responsive and helpful when it comes to product inquiries and concerns. They seem to stand behind their products, which is always a good sign. If you're in the market for a high-quality grooming kit that can do more than just shave, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor might be just what you need. It offers a smooth, comfortable shave, and the multiple attachments provide great value for your money. Whether you're shaving in the shower or at home, it's a tool that works for a variety of grooming needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor in the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment. Let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.